Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a laser rangefinder. So I'm going to show you this one here by Bestsee, and I'll show you what it all has in there. It comes inside of it. It has the rangefinder in here. Comes with the charging cable right there. It looks like it's going to be probably, I'll show you here. Let's see what kind of cable this has. It has a USB to USB-C. And then inside there's also something else. What is that? Oh, we have a carabiner. And we have a little hook to hold it as well. So a couple of accessories in this little box. Nice to have. Here is our rangefinder here. We have, opens up like that and like this. I guess if you don't want to unzip it, you could just do the clip on it instead. But we'll open it up. So this is what a rangefinder looks like. If you haven't ever seen one, this is it. And we have the ability to charge it right in there. That's where our charging cable will go, right into there. And then this here is where we can hook up that little string, you know, to just hold it. So if we wanted to hang it from our hand or whatever. And then we have our power button on the top, and then the memory button is going to be there. So I guess that's how we're going to be able to just save our distance. So if I go and do this, I will see it says 15 yards. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it through here, but it tells me the distance of things that are far away. I don't know if I can show it through there. Let's see. Maybe not. So might be out of luck on seeing it. Yeah, I'm gonna guess you guys can't see it, but in there, it's in the bottom corner. It's off now. I can see the distance, and it does a little vibration when it's going, and it tells me the distance. Like it says that's 15 yards. It says this is, I guess it's too close for me to do. I was trying to get that sign right here. Yeah, let me see if I do something way far away there. 17 yards. So in this huge shed I'm at, we get some good distance. Let's try on this side here. It's probably about 15 or so too. That's 16 yards. So pretty cool that it's going to give you that rangefinder from there, and super cool. Nice little device to have if you're ready to golf or hunting or anything like that. You'll have the ability to see the distance, and you can just see everything right through there. So I can see what it is. It's a nice magnifying glass as well, or telescoping kind of thing. So super cool. If you need a rangefinder, this is a good one to get. Thumbs up.